We got one more piece of puzzle solved. AC-DC converters for this application. Before you say it, yes, this is not the best option. I know it's ginormous and it is air-cooled, but in the future we will have water-cooled smaller versions of this. So basically what this does is it will take the alternating current generated from the generator and then regulate that to direct current to charge the battery or power the motors. Alright, come here, check out, we've got another problem. Check this bolt out. This was what I meant to use on this application, putting on the charger. But then, see the length. It only sticks out maybe 1 to 2 threads on top. But good thing is I've got an M12, I've got a bunch of M12 bolts lying around. I'm not sure where they're for, but definitely heavy duty ones. And we'll be instead using these ones to install them. Got a little bit more problem here. So this bolt, this U-bolt is sticking out too much that I can't open the door for this anymore. So I'm gonna cut off some of this. Actually, I'm gonna put some thread sealant onto the thread of the U-bolt. Yeah, I gotta make sure it doesn't drop onto anything it shouldn't, because it's super hot. I don't want to melt any things that I don't want to, and also don't want anything catching fire down below. But gladly it dropped onto the damp, wet mud, so it should be. Alright, there we go, no problem at all. And that is this leg of the journey. Generator installation video is coming up next. It turns out to be a huge job, and please stay tuned. Yes, we got 200 volts. It's a very exciting day. Thank you for watching. Please like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next one.